We're here today at Australian Marine Centre and we've got a 4.8 metre tinny, one of the most popular in the country at the minute with the 60 horsepower Merc. It's currently steering is mechanical and it feels a little bit stiff. So we're going to upgrade this today to the new Baystar helm and Baystar cylinder and find how that fingertip steering will be when we're finished. Come and watch the install. Now the guys at Australian Marine Centre have completed the install. We've got the Baystar helm and as you can see, fingertip steering. The customer's going to be really happy with this new experience. It revitalises an older boat to have the handling and the feel of fingertip with Baystar.